How to set out of office in Outlook calendar. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook. Then log into your account. Then click on Inbox. After clicking on Inbox, click on New Email located on top left corner of your screen below Home. After clicking on New Email, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Meetings, which is below Appointment. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Inbox. Then click on Teams Meeting. And you will find this kind of screen pop up. Add your title. Set your starting time and starting date, end time and end date. Click on All Day. Then go to top and click on Response option, Request Response or other option. You can also click on Free, Tentative, Busy, Out of Office. Also add Reminder. Then add your title, add your email of Outlook, and you're good to go. And that's how you set out of office in Outlook calendar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.